This is continuation of examples of problems on ages. Let's get started. Let's get into the problem. The first question. Arav is younger than Abhinaya by 4 years. If their ages are in the ratio of 11 is 13, how old is Abhinaya? So this is a normal thing. So Arav is younger than Abhinaya. So Arav is the person who is younger, who will have the less ratio in the ratio comparison. 11 is to 13. You know that Arav is 11 and Abhinaya is 13. Okay. How old is Abhinaya? So total, the given is ratio 11 is to 13, which is nothing but 11x is to 13x. So 11x is Arav, 13x is Abhinaya. Okay, done. Now the question is, how old is Abhinaya? This 13x is what we have to find out. But there is a value we have. What is that? Arav is younger than Abhinaya by 4 years. The difference between these two members is 4 years. What is the difference between these two? 2x. Am I right? 2x is, we have 4. Then what is 13x? We will get the answer. So unknown or any other way, you have 2x is 4, 1x is 2. Then what is 13x? 13x is 26. So Abhinaya's age is 26. If the question is about what is their total sum of their ages, same 2x is 4, sum of their ages means you have to find out 24x. If the question is about Arav's age, then you have to find out 11x. Okay, done. If the question is about product of their ages, that might be question. Then you have to multiply it and then x square, you have to use x value to find out the answer. Okay, next question. At present, the ratio between ages of Arun and Bonesh is 3:4. After 6 years, Arun's age will be 21 years. What will be age of Bonesh after 10 years? Okay. At present, the ratio between the ages of Arun and Bonesh, A and B, two members are there. Arun, Bonesh. Present age is 3:4, which is nothing but 3x, 4x percentages. After 6 years, Arun's age will be 21 years. After 6 years, Arun's age is 21. What is his present age? After 6 years, 21. Present age is 3x. 3x plus 6 is 21 years. Am I right? What is 3x? 3x is 15 years. Because if you subtract 6, you will get 15 years. What is the x value? 3x is 15 years. X value is 5. Now the question is to find out what will be the age of Bonesh after 10 years. What is the percentage of Bonesh? At first you have to find out what is his percentage. You have X value, percentage of Bonesh is 4x. Substituting this you will get 4 into 5. Percentage of Bonesh is 20 years. After 10 years, what will be his age? 20 plus 10 will get the answer 30 years. So Bonesh's age will be 30 years after 10 years. Done. That's it. Let's move on to the next question. 1 year ago, the ratio between Sam's and Anu's age was 4:3. 1 year hence, the ratio of their ages will be 5:4. What is the sum of their present ages? So here, there are two different ratios are given. There is a difference in number of years between those two ratios. So here we are going to use increase or decrease method. If you want to use increase method, you have to take the past as the first value and then present or future as the latter value. If you want to use negative decrease as the formula, then you have to take the future as the present value and then past as subtracting value with the difference of years. Okay, here I am going to take 1 year ago's ratio. 1 year ago's ratio, 1 year ago, 4:3. 4:3. 1 year hence, 5 is to 4. So what is the difference in years between these two ratios? Totally 2 years. At present, 1 year ago there is a age, 1 year after there is a age. The difference is 1 plus 1, 2 years. The difference is 2 years. When you add 2 years with this, your ratio will change. So just use the formula here. 4x is the 1 year ago value plus 2, which becomes 5. 4x plus 2, which becomes 5. 3x plus 2, which becomes 4. Equate this, you will get x value. When you get x value, substitute it here, you will get the 1 year ago's age of those two members. Okay, done. First x value, cross multiply, what you will get? 4x into 4, 16x. 16x plus 4 into 2, 8 is equal to 5 into 3x is 15x plus 10. When you take this 8 here and 15x here, you will get the x value as x is equal to 2. You got the x value, which is 2. Substitute here, you will get the 1 year ago's age of Sam and Anush. So 4x is the value. 4x means 4 into 2, 8. And then 3x means 3 into 2, 6. 1 year ago, Anu's age was 8. 1 year ago, Sam's age was 8, Anu's age was 6. At present, their ages are 1 year. If you add 1 year, you will get the age of both of them. Present, Sam is 9, Anu is 7. So the question is, what is the sum of their present ages? That is why we are finding out the present. Present ages, Sam is 9 and Anu is 7. Together, it's 16 years. So 9 plus 7, 16 years is the sum of Sam and Anu's age at present. Okay, that's all. Let's move on to the last question. The age of Abdul 3 years ago was 7 times the age of his son. The age of Abdul was 3 years ago was 7 times the age of his son. At present, his age is 5 times of his son. What are the present ages of father and son? The same kind of question, same this question. Okay, same method we are going to use. So, ago is the one I am going to take at first. 3 years ago, ratio is 7 times of his son. So father is 7 and son is 1. 3 years ago. At present, their ages are in the ratio at present 5:1. So their ages are in the ratio 5:1. What is the difference between these two ratios? Is number of years, 3 years. So just substitute whatever the things same as here, you will get 3 years ago's age. So 7x plus 3 will become 5. 7x is the 3 years ago's father's age plus 3 becomes 5. 1x is son's age 3 years ago plus 3 which becomes 1. So equate this, you will get x value. Solve this x value. What is the x value? So 1 into 7x plus 3 will become 7x plus 3. 5 into 1x plus 3 is nothing but 1x into 5, 5x plus 5 into 3, 15. So cancelling this, take the 5 this side and 3 that side. You will get 2x value. 2x is equal 15 minus 2, 3 is 12. So x is equal 6. You got the x value. X value is the past value because we have taken 7x, 1x as the starting point by adding. Okay. So substitute this 7 into 6. 42 is the father's age 3 years ago and 1 into 6. 6 is the son's age 3 years ago. The question is to find out the present ages of father and son. What is present age? 42 plus 3. What is 42 plus 3? Father's age 42 plus 3 45 years. Son's age 6 plus 3 9 years. At present their ages are 45 and 9 respectively, father and son. So that's all the